Hey, what's up guys, your girl Nene, and I'm back at it again with another makeup video. If you guys love my videos, please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel and make sure that your notification bell is on so you guys can keep up with my future updates. So, pretty much this is just a quick video on how to look cute in your living room. Little Thanksgiving tutorial and whatnot. This video was actually requested by one of my friends. Shout out to my girl Kay. And yeah, we're just gonna get it on and shit poppin'. So pretty much I already did my brows off camera. They look a mess though because I haven't like cleaned it up or anything. So yeah. So pretty much I'm just gonna clean up my brows using Tarte Shape Tape. And today I decided to actually try doing a smoky eye, which is something I literally never done before. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. This concealer right here, this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 30. I'm really not sure what the new names are. Okay, so for today's eyeshadow palette, I will be using the Nubian 2. And is this brown? Yeah, this is brown. I will be dipping it into the shade Kenya, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use this Color brush. It's a shade in 505 brush. I'm pretty much just going to like pack it on the lid. Okay, so pretty much after that, I want to get another blending brush. I'm just going to use this one, and I want to blend out the edges. So I feel like what they do for smoky eyes is like they kind of concentrate it more on the lid and then let it gradient out towards the crease and eyebrow area. By the way, all criticism is welcome. All pointers are welcome because I'm gonna be honest with you, I never did this before, so I'm just a bit you know, I'm just trying something new. So I feel like all I ever do on my channel is like pretty much basic looks and cut creases. So okay, I'm gonna take this orange here and I'm gonna dip into it using the same brush, and I'm gonna kind of like use it to buffer it out a little bit and then add some color at the same time. So pretty much I'm just packing and excuse me, packing and swipe. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my the top of my brow with Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me. Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless 37 in the I can't even speak. Oh my god. Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in the color, in the shade 370. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this little pencil brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's the BH Cosmetics 105 brush. I'm gonna spray it with some water. You don't necessarily have to use water. You could use setting spray, primer spray, whatever. Something that's liquid. I just prefer water because personally, I'm just tired of wasting my setting spray. Pretty much, I'm using the shade Zuri for my in the corner highlight. I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. So for primer, I'm gonna use the Pure Miracle Mist. This is a hydrating and set It's just hydrating set, so I'm gonna just, it's safe to assume that this is a setting spray, but I'm gonna use it as a primer, I guess. It's just it's too dewy for me for it to be a setting spray, but I don't know, because I've used dewy setting sprays before when I really wasn't 100% sure of my skin type, and I don't know, I just feel like this is more of a primer, because I personally use it for skincare, but I mean, and I'm gonna use I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Dark 40. Right, so I'm gonna color correct, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Camo in the shade Apricot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation in 370. Okay, so for concealer, of course, Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, for mascara, I will be using the X Factor Masterpiece Max in Velvet Black. Okay, so for some reason I cannot find my contour, like my my douche palette, and I'm just really hoping that I don't have to buy another one, like as a replacement, because that's just sad. For a substitution, I'm gonna use the Sephora X Pantone, and I'm gonna be using this dark shade right here. And then I'm gonna kind of like brighten this up a little, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, Tan to Deep, and then I'm just gonna use the darkest color in here, which is this one. You know, this ain't even all that bad. I think I like this combo. And this is a pointed powder brush. So I'm also gonna set my under eyes. Like, well, set my concealer, under eye concealer. And I'm just gonna use this bottom middle shade here. Why is Sesame Street playing in my head? What the hell is going on with me today? Like, because all I hear is sunny days. Dun, 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 dun. And pretty much I'm gonna use the same brush for a blush, because since it already has like the powder on it, the blush is gonna be toned down. For a blush, I'm gonna dip into the Saharan Volume 1, and I'm gonna use the shade Neo. Honestly speaking, I just find it so weird because I literally just had my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush in my hand, and I don't know where the hell I put it. I'm gonna set with, of course, Matte Fix Plus. For highlighter, I'm gonna be going into the Morphe X BRETMAN Rock collab, and I'm gonna be using, I think I wanna mix Get Laid, Chiho, and Shady Bitch, which is these three at the bottom together. Pretty much for lashes, I will be using the LE16 lash. Ooh, alright guys, so for lips, I have C'est La Vie pencil eyeliner, not pencil eyeliner, pencil lip liner in the shade Blackberry. Because of the hype of the NYX Butter Gloss Cinnamon Roll, I decided to get another one in the shade Cookie Butter, and just to see if we have more than one shade that's good for dark girls, like for dark skinned girls. So let's just try this one out. This one also smells like a cookie. This one is cute. I don't really think it goes with this look though, but then again, it kind of does at the same time, but then again, it doesn't. It's not bad. I just feel like, I feel like it is kind of dark girl friendly, but you definitely have to wear eyeliner with this. And I feel like the butter glosses are definitely pigmented. That's one thing that I will say, but it's not sticky. Like, it's not too sticky. But overall, I like it. So this is pretty much the look.
It just feels like we keep going around in circles. Like, I don't even know what the point of this is anymore.
Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.